Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. As you all know that in last class we'll discuss part 3rd of models. Okay. Now today we discuss our part 4th of models. Okay. In that, listen, in last class we will stop up to we stop till must. Okay. Now today we discuss use of must not also. Okay. That is also very important. Clear? So write down use of must not. Use of must not. This is also very important. Must not use is also very important. Must not is used in following senses. Now where we use our must not. ओके, मस्ट नॉट का भी एक सेपरेट यूज है. तो हम मस्ट नॉट कहाँ यूज करते हैं? वेयर वी यूज मस्ट नॉट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर प्रोहिबिशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेयर वी यूज मस्ट नॉट विथ फॉर प्रोहिबिशन. फॉर प्रोहिबिशन. ओके, मस्ट नॉट वी यूज फॉर प्रोहिबिशन. ओके, नाउ एग्जाम्पल राइट डाउन. You have TB, you must not smoke. You have TB, you must not smoke. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? उसको प्रोहिबिट कर रहे हैं. ओके, स्मोकिंग इज प्रोहिबिटेड. आपने सबने देखा होगा. तो वो किसके लिए यूज किया हमने? प्रोहिबिशन के लिए यूज किया. सो फॉर प्रोहिबिशन व्हाट वी यूज मस्ट नॉट. क्लियर? This is also model. Must not is also a model. Clear? We must not park our. We must not park our vehicles in public places. Okay? In public places. Clear? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो प्रोहिबिशन. हम प्रोहिबिट कर रहे हैं किसी चीज के लिए. सो मस्ट नॉट इज यूज फॉर प्रोहिबिशन. मस्ट नॉट इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर गिविंग एडवाइस इन नेगेटिव सेंस. ओके, सो बी पॉइंट इज राइट डाउन. मस्ट नॉट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड. मस्ट नॉट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड for giving advice in negative along with order and warning. Clear? So how we use this way? You must not park your car here. तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है? हमने इसमें नेगेटिव सेंस में एडवाइस भी दे दी. ओके, और ऑर्डर और वार्निंग भी दे दिया कि यू मस्ट नॉट पार्क योर कार हेयर. तुम्हें तुम्हारी कार यहाँ पार्क नहीं करनी चाहिए. यू मस्ट नॉट सिट हेयर. एग्जाम्पल राइट डाउन वन मोर. यू मस्ट नॉट सिट हेयर. तो हमने क्या किया इसमें? इन दिस वी गिव एडवाइस ऑल्सो एंड वी गिव वार्निंग ऑल्सो. क्लियर? सो दिस इज आवर यूज ऑफ मस्ट नॉट. क्लियर? This is our use of must not. Now next. Next we discuss use of would and should. That is also very important. Next is our use of would. First of all, would is used past of will. वुड हम कब यूज करते हैं? विल के पास्ट के लिए. क्लियर? विल का जो पास्ट है वो क्या है? वुड है. इट इज यूज्ड इन दी फॉलोइंग सेंसेस। अब ये किस सेंस में यूज होता है? इट इज यूज्ड इन फॉलोइंग, इट इज यूज्ड इन फॉलोइंग सेंस। नाउ हाउ वी यूज दिस? वुड यू लेंड मी? नाउ फॉर पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट इन प्रेजेंट, फॉर पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट इन प्रेजेंट। नाउ लिसन, यूज ऑफ वुड इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल। हम वुड कब यूज करते हैं? विल हमने कब यूज किया था? फॉर प्रॉमिस, फॉर थ्रेट, फॉर डिटर्मिनेशन एंड फॉर पोलाइटली इन अफर्मेटिव वे। क्लियर? बट वेयर वी यूज वुड, वुड वी यूज फॉर पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट इन प्रेजेंट। प्रेजेंट में कोई पोलाइटली रिक्वेस्ट की गई हो, लाइक would you lend me your pen? तो हमने क्या किया? एक पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट कर ली। ओके, would you tell me the way to the hotel? तो ये भी हमने रिक्वेस्ट कर ली। would you tell me the way to the hotel? So this is also request, this is also polite request. Clear? Now another point where we use word to express events, to express events in past, to express events in past। past में कोई भी events हुए हैं तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? to express events in past। Clear? Now example, sometimes my father would get angry, sometimes my father would get angry with me, sometimes my father would get angry with me। Clear? Now ये है पास्ट के इवेंट्स के लिए। समटाइम्स मीन्स पास्ट में। ओके, तो समटाइम्स माई फादर वुड गेट एंग्री विद मी। ओके, नाउ सी, टू नो इंटेंशन। हम अगर इंटेंशन जानते हैं तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? वुड यूज करेंगे। वट वी यूज? वी यूज वुड। वट वी यूज? वी यूज वुड। वुड यू लाइक टू, would you like to, like to have some tea? Would you like to have some tea? Okay, so this we use for intention. Okay, now next is D point, to express intention। intention को express करने के लिए। okay, so to express intention, to express intention, example, first of all we use for to express polite request, after that to express in events in past, after that to know the intention। अब आता है हमारा another point, that is to express intention। I would obey you even if I die। So this is the example of to express intention। So these are the use of would। Okay, these are the use of would model। Clear? Next is this would is completed here, so everyone note down this would, use of would। now we discuss next another is our use of should। next is our use of should। use of should, use of should is also very important use। okay, use of should is also very very important। okay, so should is, everyone knows should is past form of shall। शुड किसकी पास्ट फॉर्म है? सेम एज विल. ओके, तो शुड इज द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ शैल. नाउ वेयर वी यूज दिस शुड, वेयर वी यूज फॉर एडवाइस, सजेशन, advice, suggestion, duty, advice, suggestion, duty, probability or expectation, probability, expectations, probability, expectations in conditional sentences, expectations in conditional sentences, expectations in conditional sentences is also used in after, it is also expectation in conditional sentences where we use after lest. lest एक वर्ड होता है, उसके बाद हम यूज करेंगे. ओके, lest. तो lest जहाँ भी होगा वहाँ पे हम should यूज करेंगे. वेरी इजी. where lest is given, there we use should. तो lest के बाद should यूज करेंगे. हाँ, समझ में आया? कंडीशनल सेंटेंस का मतलब है कि जो lest वर्ड होगा उसके बाद में हम this should यूज करेंगे. क्लियर? नाउ वेयर एग्जाम्पल राइट डाउन. वी शुड, एग्जाम्पल राइट डाउन, वी शुड बाथ डेली. वी शुड बाथ daily. This is what? This is advice. This is advice. We should bath daily. We should not go there. We should not go there. Suggestion. This is what? This is suggestion. We should not go there. This is suggestion. Next is we should obey the elders. We should obey the elders. This is what? This is our duty. Okay, this is our duty. So listen, we should bath daily. This is advice. We should not go there. This is suggestion. We should obey the elders. This is our, we should obey the elders. This is our duty. We should be at the, next another probability example write down. We should be at the theater. This is what? This is probability. Okay, this is probability. This is our probability. This is probability. Another one example write down. Condition, walk carefully. Walk carefully. Walk. This is lest example, so see carefully. Walk carefully lest you should fail. Sorry, not fail. You should fall. Okay, you should fall. This is our condition. So what I told you before, in case of conditional sentence after lest, what we use? After, सबसे पहले lest आया, after lest we use should. So lest, in case of lest we use should only. Clear? We only use should. This is very important point कि after lest के बाद भी should use होता है. So these are the uses of should. These are the uses of our model should. Clear? So this is also very important topic. Now another one is our means last one. Now last one is our ought to. Use of ought to. Use of ought to. This is also very important. Ought to is also very important. Okay, so write down ought to. Ought to implies the sense of moral obligation. Ought to implies the sense of moral obligation, or the sense of moral obligation or duty, but ought to expresses less compulsion. Ought to implies the sense of moral obligation or duty, but ought to expresses less compulsion in comparison, to must, ओके, मस्ट से कम कंपल्शन इसमें शो होगा. ओके, ought to is used to make the subject aware of his her moral, aware of his her moral duty, but to follow the advice in his her decision. Okay, hence ought to expresses the kind of advice. Ought to expresses the kind of advice. Now, what is the meaning of ought to? Clear? Ought to implies the sense of moral obligation और ड्यूटी. ओके, क्या इम्प्लाइज करता है? मॉरल ऑब्लिगेशन और ड्यूटी के लिए हम ought to को यूज करते हैं. बट ought to एक्सप्रेसेस लेस कंपल्शन. ये कंपल्शन के लिए भी यूज होता है, बट इन कंपैरिजन ऑफ मस्ट से कम कंपल्शन यहाँ होता है. ओके, एज वेल एज वी यूज विथ कंपल्शन ओनली मस्ट. बट अगर कोई लेस कंपल्शन की बात की जाए तो हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? ought to भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ought to इज यूज टू मेक द सब्जेक्ट अवेयर ऑफ हिज हर मॉरल ड्यूटी. किसके बारे में हमें अवेयर कराता है? ये मॉरल ड्यूटी के बारे में. बट टू फॉलो द एडवाइस इन हिज हर डिसीजन, हैंस ought to एक्सप्रेसेस द काइंड ऑफ एडवाइस. क्या एक्सप्रेस करता है ought to? ought to में काइंड ऑफ एडवाइस शो होती है. ओके, so main important point comes in our mind that we use for advice. Okay, advice for means more we use for advice. ought to. Okay, you ought to do this work tomorrow. So this is the advice. Okay, so what is this? This is our kind of advice. Okay, you ought to do this work tomorrow. You ought to bring this book at once. This is also advice. You ought to bring this book at once. Clear? So this is also our advice. Okay, this is also very important advice. Next is all of you all of you ought to avoid all of you ought to avoid the company of bad boys. The company of bad boys. This is also advice. Okay, this is also our kind of advice where we use our ought to. Clear? Now next is our ought to, use of ought to is completed. Now where again I repeat this. ought to implies for किसके लिए यूज होता है? for moral obligation or for duty, but ought to expresses less compulsion in comparison to must. ought to is used to make the subject aware of his or moral duty. So remember one thing, अवेयर कराने के लिए होता है उसकी मॉरल ड्यूटी के लिए. ओके, ought to be used for awareness of the moral duty. Okay, where we use for moral duty. Now note, write down one note for ought to. That is very important note. Must and ought to both expresses the sense of moral obligation. Both expresses the sense of moral obligation, possibility or belief. Moral obligation, possibility or belief. These are expressed more strongly. These are expressed more strongly by must while ought to by must. Before I also told you कि must के साथ ज़्यादा यूज़ करेंगे moral obligation, possibility को और belief. Okay, ought to while ought to imparts less compulsion. Ought to imparts less compulsion. To impart less compulsion. Like we oughtn't of laugh at the faults of other people. Now see, must and ought to both express the means हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इनके साथ must यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, now ought not और must not का यूज़ कैसे होता है? ought not and where we use must not. See one example. हम क्या लिखते हैं? oughtn't this way. ओके, to laugh at the faults of other people. This is the use of ought not or must not. हमें दूसरों की faults पे हंसना नहीं चाहिए. This also shows the advice. And where how we use must not we or must not laugh. Same. We mustn't. Okay, mustn't come here. We mustn't laugh at the faults. हम दोनों ही केस में यूज़ करेंगे at the faults of other people. So in both case means must and or to. These are similar. Okay. So these we use for compulsion means moral obligation, possibility and belief. Clear? So here your or this model chapter is completed today. Okay. So all types of models completed. If I forget by mistake any model, so you all go through your book and see once your book. Okay. And fill all type of models exercise self. Clear? So write down diary work, fill exercise of book self. Okay. So today you all fill your book exercise. So in another class now we will discuss next chapter. Clear? So your chapter or model chapter is completed. Thank you and have a nice day.